guys go, just so you guys can see the clear difference, okay? This is still wet up here. I don't know if anyone can fucking see that at all because the fucking glare and the tint at the top. Whatever the fuck you want to call it. It's still fucking wet. That's bird shit up there. So you can see the fucking clear fucking difference. That ain't bird shit. That ain't bird shit. That's still fucking wet. Still fucking wet. Still fucking wet. You can even fucking see it. Still fucking wet. Go fuck yourselves.